Hey guys, welcome to my channel Binod Tech. Today I will be talking about Instagram update in which Facebook Messenger and Instagram chats are connected to one another. So let's know it briefly. We all know that last year CEO of Facebook told that they have a plan to connect Instagram, Facebook and Messenger. Also, Facebook is the parent company. Within this mind, Facebook and Messenger are being added in Instagram. Before this concept was designed, Instagram used to show DM icon, but after this update, it will be showing Messenger icon. We will be finding colorful chats just like in Messenger. After this, we could reply just by swiping the message, and we can talk to our Facebook friends also. Well, for now the question is the new update available? And the answer is yes, it is. I think it must be a good news for Insta lovers. You can update your Instagram just by clicking on update option. That's it. So that's all for this one. I hope this video has been informative for you all. If so, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.